So yeah, we are in the Victoria Falls, that is in Zimbabwe, the western part of Zimbabwe. So now we are just beginning our walk, so I'm going to take you through some of the viewpoints on this majestic falls. I think it's one of the 7 natural wonders in the world. So yeah, sit back, relax, and let's go. So this here is the first viewpoint. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the falls. This is actually where the water falls, and this is Zambezi River. Just gonna bring the camera a little bit down so that you guys can see properly. Yeah. So right over there, that's where the falls actually begin. On the other side of the river, that's where Zambia is, and I'm standing on the Zimbabwean side. It's majestic. There are a lot of rainbows, and I hope we are going to see some very soon. So now we are walking to the second viewpoint. On my right, we're going to pass through it. That's going to be the statue of David Livingstone. He is the one who founded the Victoria Falls. I don't remember which year though, but I'm sure we will be able to get that information for you. Right now, the only problem is we don't have an umbrella or a raincoat, so it's going to be raining. I'm not sure how long my Osmo Pocket 2 can sustain water, but today I'm willing to test it because these are just majestic views. So yeah, without further ado, in 3, 2, 1, bang. So we're going to the third viewpoint now. Okay, so we are going to viewpoint number 4. As you can see, something written here, viewpoint. So now we are walking to viewpoint number 5. So now we are moving from viewpoint number 5. We're going to viewpoint number 6, and it's a little bit raining. So viewpoint number 6. Oh, it's gonna be raining, crazy raining here. Let's see. Now it's raining, like really raining. But yeah, it's one of the majestic views here. As you can see from there, got a super nice view over there. We're moving to viewpoint number, I don't remember. Now we are going to viewpoint number 30.